A very good morning to all the dear children and welcome to Online Teaching Learning Program 2020-2021. In the last session, we completed with the workbook exercise of chapter number 1 of Political Science, and it was told that there will be a small objective type of test for you all in the next session. Based on chapter number 1 of History, topic Sources of History. Before we proceed with today's test, I request you all to please be ready with your material to write down the test. You all can write down this test in any of the blank book. You can utilize the blank pages to write down the test. Let us begin. Dear children, please see to it that you are writing this test very sincerely without looking into your book. The answer key to the test will be given in the next session. All the best. Question number 1. Choose the correct option and complete the answer. First, the National Archives of India is situated at dash. The options are A. Pune, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Hyderabad. I repeat, the National Archives of India is situated at dash. The options are A. Pune, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Hyderabad. Second, the dash is included among the audio-visual media. The options are A. Newspaper, B. Television, C. All India Radio, D. Periodicals. Question number 3. Information and Broadcasting Department published dash an annual reference book. Options are A. India 2000, B. Incredible India, C. Indian Horizon, D. Aspiring India. Question number 4. The place where historical documents are preserved is called dash. Options are A. Library, B. Storeroom, C. Archives, D. History room. Question number 5. Ahwan is written on the backdrop of Sino-Indian War by the noted Marathi poet dash. Options are A. Narayan Gupte, B. Kusumagraj, C. G.D. Madgurkar, D. Namdev Dhasal. Question number 6. Cooper edited dash. Options A. India's Stamp Journal, B. Indian Philatelic Magazine, C. Stamp Synopsis, D. the Journal of Philatelic Bureau? Let us proceed further. Question number 7. The Indian government issued the dash stamp in 1977. Options A. Narsi Monchi, B. Jal Cooper, C. Bisra Munda, D. Senapati Bapat. Question number 8. Dash prints the notes. Options are A. Reserve Bank of India, B. Union Bank of India, C. Philatelic Bureau of India, D. State Bank of India. Question number 9. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum is at dash. Options are A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Question number 10. Dash is not included in the physical sources. I repeat again, dash is not included in the physical sources. Options are A. Coins, B. Ornaments, C. Buildings, D. Proverbs. I hope you all have written down the answers of question number 1. Now let us proceed to question number 2. Question number 2 is identify the wrong pair and rewrite the correct one. So you will find here are 4 pairs given. Yes. So out of that 4 pairs, one pair is wrong. So you need to identify which one is the wrong pair, and then you need to rewrite it. That is, you need to rewrite the correct one. First is A. Jal Cooper, philatelist, B. Kusumagraj, poet, C. Anna Bhau Sate, people's bard, D. Amar Sheikh, art collector. Question number 2. A. Povada, oral sources, B. Documentaries, audiovisual sources, C. Coins, material sources, D. OVs, archaeological sources. Question number 3. A. India 2000 Annual Reference Book, B. Indian News Review, Newsreels and Documentaries, C. FTII, Radio Programs. FTII stands for Film and Television Institute of India, and D. Reserve Bank of India, Printing Notes. Let us proceed further. Question number 3. Complete the following graphical presentation. So we have here is written sources. So you need to write down 4 sources of history that comes under written sources. I hope you all have finished writing the answer. Let us proceed further. Question number 2 is material sources. So here you need to write down the sources of history that comes under material sources. Write down any 4 material sources. I hope you must have finished writing material sources. Question number 4. Explain any one of the following concepts. First is print media. The second one is material sources. So you can write down any one of the concept. Either you can write down what is print media or you can write down material sources. I hope you must have finished writing. Question number 5. Give the full forms of the following. So we have this abbreviated terms here and you need to give the full form of it, what it stands for. So the first one is RBI. So you need to write down RBI stands for what. So you need to write the full form of it. The second one is FTII. And the third one is PTI. I hope you must have attempted all the three. I hope you have written down today's test sincerely and have attempted all the questions. The answer key to the test will be given to you all in the next session of history. Thank you.